Oh. Hi, my name is Samantha Richardson and I'm a graphic designer, and welcome to an insider's guide to creating digital ad campaigns. I've been working in the advertising industry for about 5 years, and I found that digital ads can be a little bit intimidating. Through this course, I want to demystify what goes into producing a cross-platform digital ad campaign. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for producing engaging designs and animation and ways that you can present to your clients.
We'll be creating HTML5 banners, videos for paid social, and gifs for email blasts. We'll go over some simple digital marketing concepts that will help you inform your designs.
We'll be using Illustrator and Photoshop to concept and design our campaigns.
SVGator to create some very simple animated SVGs.
Flexitive to animate and size our campaigns across different platforms and sizes. All the programs featured in this class are free or have a free trial available so you can get started in testing them out. Agencies want you to think that creating digital banner ads is complicated, but I'm going to walk you step by step through the process so that you can take your advertising or client's advertising into your own hands. Our class project will be to create a digital ad campaign targeted to your pet if they were on the internet. So hang back, grab a snack, and I'll see you in the next video.